Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing a hair tutorial. So I haven't done a hair tutorial in a while, and I've been doing my hair a little bit differently recently, kind of going for like that 90s supermodel voluminous looser curl rather than like so much like wavy curls going on. And I've actually been using hot rollers to achieve that look. So if you guys want to see how I do my rollers, it's very quick, very easy, and gives you that big sexy hair, nice volume at the top. So I'm gonna get started by prepping my hair. I freshly washed my hair last night, so right now my hair is very clean. And the shampoo and conditioner I use is from the brand Playa. I feel like this hairline is pretty different from a lot of other brands I've tried. This is a clean at Sephora product, so you can get these products at Sephora, and I really love the ingredients. So I use the everyday shampoo and the super natural conditioner, and I really like how they make my hair feel very healthy, shiny, moisturized, hydrated, and they do not weigh my hair down. So the texture of my hair is pretty fine, especially when it's clean. Like, it's very kind of like limp and fine in texture, but these do not weigh them down, so I've been loving those. So first I am going to brush out my hair really quickly. My hair just tangles like no other. If I breathe too heavily, it's like, meh, no, we're gonna tangle. We are tangly today. So when I got out of the shower last night, I applied 2 products, also from Playa, and these are game changers. I applied this Endless Summer Spray, and this you can apply to your hair wet or dry. So I applied it last night, and I really like it if I'm just air drying my hair. It gives me just like a little bit of volume, a little bit of texture, and a little bit of just like grip to my hair, because my hair is like so fine and soft when it is freshly clean. Some of the kind of like sea salt sprays can really dry out your hair, but this one has marine collagen complex to nourish strands without drying, has a natural UV filter to shield hair and scalp from harmful rays, and just gives you that kind of undone look. So I have this in my hair already. I'm going to add a little bit more, and this is just going to, again, give my hair a little bit of a boost and enhance any kind of natural texture that I have going on. So as you can see, it kind of just instantly gives my hair a little bit of texture, a little bit of volume. And then for my ends, I love to use the Playa Ritual Hair Oil. So this again is a game changer. I have tried a lot of hair oils, but a lot of them weigh my hair down, or they're just like really silicone feeling, and this is silicone free. So this is made with oils of kukui, apricot, and sunflower, and it gets rid of any frizziness and makes your hair very soft, very shiny, and like I said, does not weigh my hair down. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of this to the ends of my hair. I don't know if you guys can see the texture of this, but it's like very thin, so it's not like a thick goopy oil. Almost like has like a dry oil texture. So I'm just putting that right at my ends so they don't get any frizziness to them. And also the smell of these products, you guys, so good. Like, they kind of smell beachy, but not like sunscreen beachy, just like sexy beachy. I don't know how to describe it, but they smell amazing. Then we have the hot rollers. These are the ones that I have been using and loving recently. They're from the T3 brand, and I really just love this set. I love the size. I love the carrying case that it comes in, and everything you need is all included. So inside you have the clips up here and then the rollers down here. So this is the set that I have. There are different sizes, but I have the one with the jumbo 4 and then the 2 smaller. So we are just gonna get started. I don't do it like very perfect. I don't really do anything in my life perfectly. I don't even try. So I just kind of grab pieces, try to make sure they're not like wider than the width of the roller, and just do your thing. So the top layer, I like to use the smaller size just because I like the look that it gives me. So basically, this is really hard to do on camera. Okay, so I like to wrap the end around first, and then I bring it down. And that is basically it. So then you just take the clip and secure. The back section, just like at the crown of my head, I'm going to take a larger one. And if you have any like layers that fall out, just kind of like grab them and roll them back in. The side section, I'm just going to take and roll under. And then this side is like where I flip my hair to, so I'm taking a smaller one and again doing the same thing, just rolling it up. But since there isn't like another small one to do the other side, because I used the small one in the front, I like to just make sure I use it on the side that I like flip my hair to, where it has like the most hair. And then on the last 3 sections, I'm gonna take the big boys and again, just roll them under. I don't really care about the underneath being super curly. I just want it to have like a nice bend to it. When I'm not explaining how to do this, it seriously takes like 5 minutes. This is what they look like all rolled up. So everything is rolled under except for the top 2, like this mohawk section is rolled back. So that's just how I like to do it. If you want to take some hairspray, add some hairspray, you can, but I typically don't, just because I don't really like hairspray. I don't really like how it makes my hair feel. If anything, I will take a little bit more of the Endless Summer Spray. Again, just give it a little bit of a mist. Just gives it a little texture and enhances the curl, so love that. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave these in until they are cooled down completely. I like to leave them in for at least like 30 minutes just so the curls really set. So I'm gonna let these cool down and then I'll be back to show you guys the end result. Look, just kidding. Okay, so then you just want to run your fingers through your hair. Don't use a brush because I feel like that kind of ruins it. So just like use your fingers to like rake through, boost up the volume, and kind of just like work with it until it looks good. So this is the finished hair look. I am so obsessed. I just love that 90s style is back. I was born in 1990, so I just grew up on that. I grew up on Cindy Crawford and the Rachel Green, the Rachel. So I feel like if I cut this much off my hair, it would be kind of like the Rachel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would definitely recommend checking out the Playa hairline if you have not already. They have great clean hair products with great ingredients and they perform really well. So I've been loving incorporating them into my routine. My hair feels touchable, it has volume, it's shiny, it's hydrated, so it checks all the boxes for me. So I hope you guys liked this look. Thank you so much for watching. If you decide to recreate it, send me a pic, tag me, do whatever you can, and I will see you guys next time.
I'm trying to be all aesthetic, but my hands are like shaky. I should probably look into that. Oh gee, that was like almost borderline pornographic, and I apologize. Sorry everyone, I was trying to be aesthetic once again.